In this video, I'm going to be using Madam Glam's gel nail set to create this nude look. So this set came with 2 nude polishes, a gel polish remover, the soak off base gel, and a soak off no wipe top coat. It also comes with a curing lamp to cure the nails when you're finished. And here's a little bit of information on the colors and also the polishes, which are vegan. And here is the lamp that they sent me. It comes with a USB cord, an adapter, and there's the power button, and it just kind of stands up on its own. I like how the design is. I'm showing you also how you can slide your hands underneath to cure, but what I did when I cured it was held it so that I could do my thumb and my fingers at the same time. So this is the base coat, and this is my nails after I applied the base coat. So I cured my nails each time for a full minute. If you hold the button down, it will keep the lamp on for a full minute. And if you do it one time, it's going to be 30 seconds. So this is how it looks after I cured it, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to the polishes. I'm just showing you guys up close what they look like. Again, they're vegan and cruelty free, and you can see all the information on the back of there. This pink one is really pretty. It's a true nude. And this one right here, it looked like it was going to be a pearly color, but it's actually not. It's nude as well. It's completely nude, and it's more of a clear color. So I'm going to show you what my nails look like. I did one on each hand. I did the pink one on one hand and then this other color. So this is how the pink looks. As you can see, it kind of mimics that pink and white when you get a French tip, that pink, and it's really true to nude, and I really like how smoothly it went on. And here is the other color. Now, as far as this set goes, I feel like it's a perfect set for beginners because you don't have to have a lot of extra steps. Also, I feel like the longevity of gel in itself will depend on how well you prep your nails. I did not show that process here because I was basically just trying to show you guys the product and my thoughts on it with first use. But I did prepare my nails thoroughly by removing any type of polish or oil on my nails. I pushed my cuticles back, and that's very important before you start the process. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like an update on how long it actually lasted for me, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up.